Man, I wish I lived in a place that did something important.
I know Cambridge Springs is a small town, but we have Meadville Foraging Company, and they really make an impact.
Really? What on earth do they do?
I was actually going to head over there. Why don't you come with me and check it out?
Okay.
Meadville Foraging Company started as a small hammer shop in the 1940s. As time passed, they continued to grow this family-owned operation into the company it is today. Here at MFC, they operate over 50 turning and milling stations and have world-class die-making capabilities.
Quality is number one, always here.
Wow, I lived here all my life. I didn't know this was here.
I know. Did you know that they can make over 15 parts a minute? That's over 500,000 parts a month. Talk about making an impact.
Where did all these parts go, and why did they need them?
I'm glad you asked. That's the really cool part.
It's pretty cool to know that you can look outside and any vehicle you see out there, a truck driving down the road, I might have made a part that goes in that truck.
MFC produces wheel bearings for one of the most popular trucks of all time, the Ford F-150. Without Cambridge Springs, millions of trucks would not be on the road today. In Cambridge Springs, manufacturing was the job, with multiple small tool shops, but nothing compares to the production of Meadville Forage Company. In the small town of Cambridge Springs, even the most unknown people can make an impact worldwide in the manufacturing field.
So every Ford truck, every Ford F-150 out there has at least 2, probably 4 wheel bearings on it made by Meadville Forge in Cambridge Springs. Every Dodge Ram pickup truck has a rear differential with a ring gear in it made by Meadville Forge. Every General Motors pickup truck has ring gears in it, and then the Dodge Charger and Challenger are all made by us.
Thanks so much for coming with me today.
Thanks for bringing me. I learned so much. I guess there really are some big things that can happen in Cambridge Springs.
I know. It's just proof that even if you start out small, with some hard work and dedication, you can make a big impact.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.